Priya, you can share screen and begin the presentation.
Okay, just a second. Okay, is my screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay.
You can
So I
start.
can start, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good afternoon, everyone. So here I'm here to present my final project. For that I have prepared two projects. One is on Mynthra data analysis of Mynthra, and one is on ML model, Instagram reach analysis. So first of all, I'm presenting here data analysis of Mynthra. It is a visualization project, and on this project we will analyze the product which is present in the Mynthra store, and we try to visualize it, showing the visualization presentation on the basis of some queries, on the basis of some question. And we all know that Mynthra is one of the most popular fashion website, and it is the best one in the clothing. So let's start with the Mynthra visualization presentation. Okay. So data analysis of Mynthra. First, we import all the libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and seaborn for the visualization. Then I have import the data set of Mynthra. We can see the shape of the data. We have 5,26,564 rows and 13 features, 13 columns. Let's check the column. We have URL. The first one is URL, product ID, brand name, category, individual category, category by gender, description, discount price, original price, discount offer, size option, rating, reviews. Let's check. So here I have just take a code to see all the columns individually. We can see the column over here as well. Now, I'm just checking the unique value of every column just to confirm there is no double value in the product ID. So I have used the data frame product ID dot and unique just to check the unique value of product ID column. So here we can see 5,26,564. It means there is no double value. Every product has their unique value in the product ID. The second, it's category. You can see the unique category what Mynthra store we have. Bottom wear, top wear, lingeries and slipwear, western, sportswear, Indian wear, plus size, inner wear, slipwear. So these are the unique category which Mynthra is selling. Now the next one, the next column is individual category. So we can see the unique value in the individual category. So there is a lot more: jeans, track pant, shirt, shapewear, t-shirt, tops, lots of. So just to read it well, I just group by the individual category with the category, so we can easily read it. Now individual categories like we have here boxer. So we on the boxer we have innerwear, slipwear, plus size, India wear, and many more. So I use this code to group by the individual category with the category. Then the unique brand names. Mynthra, how many brands Mynthra is selling? So Mynthra is selling Locomotive, Roadstar, Zivame, H&M. There are so many brands. Just check the info from the data frame info of the data set, and here you can see there is missing value in the fourth column. There is some missing value we can see in the columns. So let's check the missing value, and this data set is using 52.2 MB memory. Now let's check the missing value. Discount price has around 1,93,158 missing price. Discount offer has a less missing value. It's 74,306. Rating and reviews has higher missing value. It's 3,36,152. There is a 4 column in the data set who has a really higher missing value. So just to analyze the data set and to fill this missing value, I've used removing missing value from the data set. What I did, I dropped the discount of a column from the axis one, and the other column I have replaced it with the mean. Okay, I fill it with the mean. So rating, reviews, and discount price, I fill it with the mean. And now I check my data shape. So now the 12 feature from 13, there is only 12 column, 12 feature. The rows are same, 5,26,564. Now drop some more column. I'm dropping some more column because it is not useful for any kind of analysis like URL. There is no use of URL or a product ID, size option. So I drop it from the axis one. And now I have checked the shape. So I have 9 column, which is 9 feature and 5,26,564, the same rows. So rows are not changing. We are just dropping the column from the axis one. The columns are changing. And now I'm seeing my data again. You can see there is no null values in the data. I've used the code. Okay. I'm checking the outlier as well on the original price. So you can see over here. From around 25,000, the outlier will be started in the original price. I will explain you here. Okay, you can see 2 graph. If you see the discount price, the outlier will be started from like around 10 to 10:30, or in the original price, outlier is started from 25,000 around. So the outlier values are started from there. Now let me have I have selected some theories to visualize the Mynthra product, like top 10 brands on the price based. I just represented top 10 brands on the price based. For that, I'm plotting a graph. I use the Seaborn library bar plot to this. On axis, I'm taking original price with the values, and on the y-axis, I'm taking brand name with the index. So here you can say the top 10 brands. And clearly on the visualization bar graph, we can see the Pothys is the topmost brand, then the Roadstar, then Kalini, Here and Now, HRX, Hrithik Roshan, Mast and Haber, Ethnic Basket, Mynthra, Puma, and Max. Okay, then the bottom one is the Max one. Okay, so the top brand is Pothys in the Mynthra store. To check the maximum original price, I use the disk plot from the Seaborn library. So disk plot, you can see here, plot the show. The maximum original price count is 20,000. Okay. Same, I check the maximum original price of discounted price column. So discounted price column, the maximum original price count is 10,000. The maximum price is 10,000 in the discounted column. Let's check the next. Just top 10 brand in the Mynthra store. The next is top 10 brand in the Mynthra store. So we can see the, again, I'm taking the count plot from the Seaborn library, and we can see clearly Roadstar is the top brand, then the Locomotive, Zivami, Mast Haber, all are on the similar level. There's no much changes. This means all are similar. The top one is the Roadstar. Top 10 brand sale wise. So here, just to check the top 10 brand sale wise, I use the bar plot, but from the x-axis, I'm taking the brand name values, and the y-axis, I'm taking brand name index. And sale wise, in the Mynthra store, the top brand is Pothys, then Roadstar, then Kalini, and then so on. So these are the sale-wise top brand. Top 3 Pothys, Roadstar and Kalini. Checking gender-wise count in each category. We have seen in the data set there is a column of gender, male and female. So let's check the gender-wise count in each category. For this, I use the count plot. On x-axis, there is a category. Let's check. So here we can see the woman is from the gray and the man is darker green color. So bottom wear, Mynthra. Mynthra is selling bottom wear mainly in the men's category, top wear in the men's category, lingeries and slipwear in the women's category, western in the women's category, sportswear, men, women, both the category. The woman is little bit higher. Indian wear, the woman is the highest one. There is selling of the this woman category is the highest one. Plus size, both men and women, but the woman is higher one. And innerwear and slipwear, there is man category. That's the count plot show. Now check unique category in the column. Okay. Now let's check top category by sale. Now we are checking category wise sale, not the brand wise sale. In the above one, I'm checking the brand wise sale, but now I'm checking the category wise sale. So category wise sale, you can see the highest selling categories Indian wear on Mynthra platform. The Mynthra is selling highest in the Indian wear, then Western wear, then top wear, bottom wear, lingerie, sports, and the lowest is plus size. Second lowest is innerwear and slipwear. Okay, so it will help to stock up more to Mynthra. By knowing this, it will easy for the Mynthra to stock up the more that category. So we know that now the Indian wear is the most selling category on the Mynthra, and plus size innerwear, slipwear are the lower one, top to bottom one. Now top brands under T-shirt category. For this, I'm using the second pie chart to denote this one. The top brands under the T-shirt category. So we can see 24.06% Roadstar, then Puma, then Hrithik Roshan, then Maston Harbour, and then so on. The max is lower, 6.15%. So in the T-shirt category, which brand is selling more T-shirt? The Roadstar is selling highest number of T-shirt on Mynthra. Most selling category in the women. Okay, so most selling category in the women. Again, I'm using the pie chart for that. And clearly you can see 21.27% are the highest selling, and the category is sari, and 2.19% is the lowest one, which is launch pants. Okay, so this is the lowest one. If you wanted to see the middle, then kurtas, t-shirt, top twos are sari, top, dress is the third one. So in the women category, sari, we have already seen it on the bar chart as well. Now, which brand sell most by men? Okay, so even in this, I use the pie chart. You can see Pothys. Pothys is the highest one, whatever in the sale wise, in the category wise. The Pothys is the highest one, which is selling on the Mynthra. Even in this, which brand sell the most? It's 20.75%. It comes on Pothys by men, then Kalini, then Roadstar, and the lowest one is Mango. Okay. So that's it for my first presentation. This is a visualization presentation, data analysis of Mynthra store. So I've just taken some questions and try to visualize it. Show it with the visualization. The answer is showing it by visualization. Now my second presentation is Instagram reach analysis. I'll just explain you about it. Okay. So the second project which I have selected, it's an ML project, Instagram reach analysis. I'm training a model to predict the reach of an Instagram post. Everyone know about the Instagram. It's one of the most popular social media application today. And people using Instagram professionally are using it promotion their business, building a portfolio, blogging, creating various kind of content. Nowadays, everyone has an Instagram account. So this is the easiest project which I have chosen that everyone can understand and relate as well. So as Instagram is a popular application used by millions of people with a different niche, Instagram keeps changing to make itself better for the content creator and the user. But as this keeps changing, it affects the reach of our posts that affect us in the long run. So if a content creator want to do well on the Instagram in the long run, they have to look at the data of their Instagram reach. So that is all about. I have just give the short introduction. Everyone know about Instagram. Now, what problem I am taking, uh, which I'm going to solve, which I'm trying to solve in my project. The first problem, how to adapt to changes in the Instagram in long run. And the second, create a best suitable model to predict the reach of Instagram post. For this problem, the steps are taken Instagram reach analysis using Python, analysis content, analysis relationship, analysis conversation rate, and Instagram reach prediction model. So at final, we will make a model. We will try to make a best suitable model who can analyze the reach of Instagram in future. If you give it the value, so let's go for the presentation on the visual code. Okay. Okay, so first of all, I have imported the necessary libraries, pandas, numpy, matplotlib, seaborn, and for ML models, sklearn, test and turn, linear regression, mean squat, R2 square, passive aggressive. So all the necessary libraries I have imported over here. I have imported the data set. I have imported the data set over here. Now let's check the data set. What exactly this data set tell us? Okay. The first column is impression, then from home, from hashtag, from explore, from others, saves, comment, share, like, profile, uh, from explore, from others, saves, comment, share, like, profile, visit, follow, caption, and hashtag. What is this impression? This column represents the cumulative number of time your content has been viewed. How many number are the cumulative number of time your content has been viewed? That's called impression. Each row in the data set represents a specific post, and each column is like a feature, but each rows in the data set represent a specific post. If we talk about impression, the cumulative number of time your content has been viewed. If you post a video, how many number of time it views, then how much traffic come from home, how much traffic come from hashtag, then from explore, from other, how many times that video is saved, number of comments, share, like, profile visit, follow, and what caption you have given to that post, and hashtag you have put on that post. So everything you can see in the data set. Let's check the shape of the data. Okay. There is the small data, it has 119 rows and 13 features. Okay, it means 119 videos you have post on your account and 13 features from different from where the traffic and other things are come that it shows. Let's check the info. It is using 12.2 KB memory, and there is no null value. Still, I'm checking the null value. There is no null value. The data is completely clean. I'm checking the statistical data of this data set. So the count is 119. Impression count is the higher, the maximum value is 36,919, and the minimum one is 1,941. That's the maximum and minimum. Maximum time your content is viewed is 36,919 and the minimum time is 109.41. Standard deviation mean, you can see the 25%, 55% over here. Let's check the impressions. I just wanted to confirm it one more time. The maximum time the content is viewed, the maximum and minimum values. I've checked the unique values over here. That's all the unique value from all the column. Now, according to the problem which I'm trying to solve, I have choose the correlation. Correlation which will tell us that from which source the views are like mostly the traffic is coming. So that's why I use the correlation. Correlation between all the columns, you can say. So I'm just checking the correlation of impression with a different column. Okay, number of views come from which source? The most let's see, like from home. I've just the data is shown from home. It's 80. It's 0.84. 84% from hashtag 56 from explore 59. I have checked the correlation column wise as well. Impression. Check the correlation column wise as well. And also I did the descending order correlation just to check the most traffic come from. It's from explore the most traffic, then it's from follows, likes, from home, then saves, profile, visit. So I'll just explain you correlation easily with the graph. I have made a graph, so I'll just let's go with the graph first. I'll just explain you the correlation. It will easy to understand. Okay. So this is a visualization of the correlation. I have used the heat map. Okay, from the Seaborn library, I have used the heat map, correlation heat map. I use the cool warm theme for that. And here in the darker color, mainly the correlation which denote from -1 to 1. The way it go up from -1 to 1, it show how strong the relation between the two columns. So here on the one, you can see the darker red color. It means darker red color denote the strong correlation, and the color get lighter, show the correlation, the decrease from the correlation. So here we can see in the graph, sorry, the impression and from home. From home, the traffic comes from home to view. The both has a strong correlation. From hashtag, moderate correlation. From explore, strong. From other, moderate. From save, it's strong. Comment, there is no traffic comes from comments. So it shows by blue. Blue color, negative. Okay, share, moderate. Likes, strong. Profile visit, moderate. Follows, strong. If someone follow you, definitely they will see your video. If uh, there is a hashtag which is really popular, people come from the hashtag to see the video. So we can easily see by this heat map how how one column is relate, how positive or how strongly one column relate with the other. And if you see engagement rate, impression is minus. It's a negative correlation. Okay. So in engagement rate, it's a feature engineering. So that's how we can see the correlation. Now I hope you got it. This is how the correlation work. Now let's go for the next step. Here the descending order, I've arranged the correlation. So I clearly it's say from explore, you're getting the maximum traffic from explore, then follows, like from home, then save, profile, visit. My top priorities from explore and follow. Okay. Then there is one more thing. If I post a video, derive the engagement rate feature. Engagement rate feature, how your audience is engaged with that post. is a combination, how many comments you will get, how many shares, how many likes you will get. Definitely, whenever we post on Facebook or Instagram, we first see how many like, how many comment and share we will get, right? So just that formula I'm using divided by impressions. So I'm creating one more column just to see the engagement rate. The most, it will tell us the most popular video. The higher engagement rate will tell us most popular video. Videos on our data set. So I've added the one more column over here. Just a sec. Actually, there is a problem just to. Okay, fine. So I have already created the one more column over there. It's engagement rate. Okay. Now I check the shape. It's 119 rows and 14 feature. Um, just I think there is a problem in my window. So just a second, I'll reopen my presentation. Mm, okay. So you can see the engagement rate. We have already created the engagement rate column. Now analyze the Insta reach through visualization. First of all, I'm analyzing the this with the visualization. So analyze trend and pattern in the feature, trend of the reach over a time. Okay, so I use the line plot for it. Over time, the trends, you can see the trend is up, down on this Instagram account. Trend is going up, down on the 40th post. It is on the higher, and on the 120, 190, the last post, it is the highest. The reach is the highest on the last. Otherwise, the trend is like um a normal one. It's then the second one is bar chart for reach from the different sources. Okay, now the second one is I'm using Seaborn bar plot to show the reach from different sources. And clearly you can see the higher reach from home, from hashtag, from explore, and from other. The reach from the different sources. The reach from home. Okay, now let's see the reach from home, distribution of impression from home. So here I'm using the disk plot. Okay, distribution of impression from home, and you can see from home and their density, and the result is clearly shows the looking at the impression from home, it is hard to reach all my subscribers on daily basis. You can see over here what happened. Okay, now let's check. I have checked each and every element with this plot just to check their reach. So from home, then I check it from explore. Let's see the distribution impression from explore. You can see from explore and the density. So It's from 5,000. It's still, I can say it is good reach, but not that well. Let's check the next percentage of impression I get from various source on Instagram. Percentage of impression I get from various sources on Instagram. How many percentage? Using the pie chart for that. So this is representing the same which I have represented on the bar. It is a pie chart representation. From home, it's 44%. From hashtag, it's 34%. From explore, from other. Then next is analyzing relationship. Let's analyze the relationship, find the most important factor of our Instagram reach. It will also help us like and impression. In दोनों की relationship कैसे, how the relationship of like and impression work. Okay. So relationship between like and impression, you can just see over here. You can see like on the y-axis and impression on the x-axis, and it is creating a linear graph. Linear graph shows if likes, if like views increase, then likes increase. Both increase with the same numbers. Okay, then any category show the linear graph. Okay, the result is relationship means number of like increase, reach also tend to increase. Both increase with the same number. Then likes, relationship between impression and comment. You can see the reach, you can see the graph, relationship between the comments and total impression. Here is the impression and comment. It's a straight line, horizontal straight line. It means that both don't affect each other. The number of comment doesn't affect the views, or that doesn't affect the views impression. So straight line show there is no effect of comment or impression on comment. Okay, then let's go for the next one. Relationship between the share and impression. Share and impression is also showing the linear graph. It means if number of share is increases, number of impression increase with the same value. It is also showing the linear graph. Relationship between post saves and total impression. It's again showing the linear graph. The number of saves increases, views also we will like analyze, because even in the correlation we have seen they have this strongly correlated with each other. If saves increase, impression increase. If follows increase, impression increase. So the next is relationship between total profile visit and the number of follower gained from all profile visit. Profile visit and follower gain. If someone is visiting your profile, there is a chances to follow you as well. Otherwise, no one visit your profile. So there is a same chances to follow you as well. So profile visit and followers, that showing the linear graph according to the data and research. If the profile, someone visit the profile, they follow you as well. If someone will go on your homepage, they follow you as well. That my data is show. Now analyzing conversation rate, how many followers you are getting from number of profile visit from the post. So here I'm using one formula to analyze the conversation rate. Conversation rate is how many followers you're getting from number of profile visit from the post. That is follows, sum of all the follows is divided by profile visit, sum of all profile visit into 100, and the result is 41%, which sounds like a very good conversation rate. If someone come on your profile, if someone follow you, they will follow you. They will easily convert. Your profile, as you can say, it's a good profile. It's an attractive profile. If someone landed your page, it will follow you. They will follow you. I've already explained the analyze correlation between feature. Okay. Now, most of we have seen the correlation from where the traffic comes on our post and how they are related, which is the highest source to come the traffic on your post. Now let's prepare the model. Let's go on the next step, training and testing of the data set and preparing a model. So I'm here to prepare a machine learning model to predict the reach of an Instagram post. Who can predict it in future? And let's select test and term, testing, training and testing of data set. So on X, from home, from hashtag, from explore, from others, saves, comment, share, like, profile, visit, follows, all come for the X. And Y, which is our target value. Target value is impression. And let's just use Xtrain, Xtest, test and training code over here. Size I have taken 80-20. Okay, test size 0.2, 80-20 ratio. And let's train the data set by using. Okay. The two model I have used because it's a regression problem. So the two model I have used, the passive aggressive regressor and the linear regression. The first model, just to fit the first model, I'm getting the score 0.99%. For the second, it's also 0.99%. The both are the model are really well to predict the Instagram reach. You can use passive aggressive as well and linear regression as well. I have checked the mean square value, R2 score value as well. I've checked the mean square error, the predicted reach. So you can see the mean square error, R square value 0.99, predicted reach 82, mean square error is also minimum. So overall, what conclusion I get? Overall, both the passive and aggressive regression and regressor and linear regression models seem to perform well based on the high R2 value. R2 value is already 0.9% based on the R2 value, indicating a strong fit to the data. So we can choose. So both the model we can use, but I have choose passive aggressive regressive model to predict the reach of Instagram post because this model has a capability that they are like new data point as they arrive in the real time. Basically, the passive aggressive model can be suitable choice due to its online learning capability, adaptive system, and many more. So that's the model I've choose. Okay. So thank you so much. This is my final presentation for ML model and for visualization. Thank you. I hope you guys understand. Thank you. So,
Hey Priya, are you done?
yes, sir.
Okay, I did not expect this presentation from you, Priya. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
I think you explained, in detail both Mynthra and Instagram.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. I mean, with visualization and so the code you've written some code, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I tried the many project, but I have choose which I understand clearly. So
Okay.
this is a one topic. Even Mynthra, I was interested, but that is too like getting difficult. And Instagram reach, anyone is on Instagram, so easily understand. Even I explain it. I hope I explain it very well.